Welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you cover your highlights into your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Instagram application. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram application. And after opening the application, just simply go to your profile from this button from the bottom right corner. Step 2. Select the highlights option. Now after going to the profile, you can see your highlights option here. You just simply have to click into this new button. Step 2. Select new highlight. Coming to this new highlight option, just simply select what you want to add into your highlights. And after selecting the picture or videos, just simply click to next button. Step 3. Add the cover. Now, in the place of naming the highlight, you can see this edit cover option here. You just simply have to tap into that. After going there, you can choose any of the picture from your gallery by tapping into this button here. And select the picture that you want to add and then click to next button. Now this picture will be shown as cover into your highlights. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.